everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video because I have a jewelry haul from Evry Jewels and I have been tracking this for so long. It's now January 17th and I put this order in on December 28th, I believe. So it's finally here, it came this morning. It's happening.
It's been a long time coming.
In the mail, I put this brand on my Christmas wish list because I wanted some new gold jewelry. And my mom got me this ring for a little pre-Christmas present, just a little gift. It has a cute smiley face on it and I absolutely loved it. So I decided to put my own order in. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. And I actually haven't opened it myself either. So we are gonna be doing an unboxing and jewelry haul. So, who wants to see what's inside my package? I can't wait. Oh, before I get into this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I will be posting lots of these jewelry pieces styled over there, especially probably on Instagram and TikTok actually. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, comment your favorite piece from my haul and I will have everything linked down below. Plus, I will have a code for you guys to have 20% off your purchase as well. And I'll put that right here. I got myself jewelry, I got myself necklaces. Jordan got a couple pieces. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh gosh. Okay, I got mostly jewelry and I forgot I ordered some socks as well. I'm gonna show you guys this first. Ooh, cute. They are just little Gemini socks. And they have the little Evry branding there as well. So cute. Can't wait to wear these, my loafers or just my sneakers, especially this summer. I think these will be really cute. I love fresh white socks as well. Ooh, those are cute. Oh, so cute. There's like the detailing I was talking about. Now that we have those over with, let's keep going with the jewelry. Lots of little pieces of paper. Thank you. How to care for the jewelry. It says gift to you. $10 off my next order. A scratch and win. All right, so I got quite a bit of stuff. Looks like they came in these two red pouches. They look really cute. These also kind of look like they're like little reusable bags. So on their website, you can pick out little jewelry sets. So I ended up picking out this necklace set and it's called the Fly High With Me set. So I think this came with 3 or 4 different necklaces. Let's get these babies out. Ooh, I love this chain. This is one of the chains that came with it. I'm gonna put this on. So cute and simple. And obviously I can stack these or I can wear them by themselves. So this one's kind of just like a thin, simple herringbone chain. And then this one's like a thicker chain. This looks cute. So there's the thicker chain right there. So gorgeous. Love it so much. Ooh, this one's a bit tight on me. Okay, so this kind of fits like a choker, which is less than ideal. So I'll probably have to get like a little extender. But I think if I have an extender, it'll look really cute. This set also came with this like little link necklace. I know I'm gonna wear this one a lot. So cute. Oh my gosh, this one's also kind of tight. That one looks cute though. Cute together. And then also in this set, it came with this little butterfly necklace. Oh, this is actually so cute. And this is the one that I probably was like the least excited about, but it just came on this really thin chain with a little butterfly. That's so gorgeous. So cute. So cute. All right, let's put this baby on. Okay, that's cute. Ooh, I love the little butterfly with the other 2 stacked. Wow, love. Let's move on to the next little red pack. I think this one's probably gonna have like all the rings and the earrings I ordered. This is called the Plain Jane ring, and I got it in a size 9. So it is literally just a gold band. So here it is. It's just like this simple gold band, and I think this will be really cute for stacking. So let's try this. Okay, there it is on my middle finger. Really cute. It's definitely a little tight. This was the biggest size that it came in though on the women's side. But overall, really cute, and I think I'll get a lot of everyday wear out of this. This is also in the size 9. So Jordan and I got matching rings. We both got the Sneaky Link rings. So here they are. These were both in the men's section, but I think it looks really cute for women as well. So we both, I think, got size 10. He got a silver one, and I got a gold one. And they kind of just look like these little chains, but in a ring form. I think this is really cute. All right, let's try it on. Oh, love. I think I'm gonna wear mine on the index finger. I think this is gonna fit him though. But isn't that so cute? Little matching rings, silver and gold. One for me, one for him. So cute. Okay, so I actually switched this ring over here, and I think it fits a lot better on kind of like my ring finger. And then I have this, my matching ring with Jordan, on my middle finger, and I think that looks pretty cute. So yeah, those are my rings. And then I was just opening up these little chain link earrings. These are so cute. They're like, have like a little stud, but then have like a little star hanging from a chain, and I'm gonna put them in right now. They look adorable. Recently got my second holes pierced, so I wanted to step up my jewelry collection. Ooh, I think they look cute in the front, but I think they will look cute on the second pair as well. All right, here's the other one. Okay, I just put my hair up so you guys could see better. So cute. Next, I ordered the Soho in Love set of hooped earrings. So this is them right here. I just wanted these for really simple everyday earrings, especially since I got my second holes pierced. Here's the bigger set. They're just like the same earrings, and one is smaller and one is bigger. Here we go. There is the first set of the larger earrings. Really cute and simple. Here is the smaller sets. Really cute and thin, simple gold hoops. Cannot wait to wear these. I'm gonna be probably wearing these daily, and maybe I'll have to get more piercings so I can wear them all at the same time. Because right now I only have my first holes and my second holes. But I think these are so cute. And I think I'll try them on, but that means I'm gonna have to take these ones out, unfortunately, even though I love them. I love these little star ones, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put the bigger ones right here in the front. Oh, so plain and simple. And I've actually never taken the piercing out since I've gotten them done, but it's been a couple months now, so I think it's fine to take it out. Okay, that took a really long time. I had to take my earrings out, and I've never taken them out before. So I have those first set in, and here is the second set. Oh, I love them. Feels so weird. I've never put earrings in the second hole yet. All right, and there they are in all their glory, the little Soho gold hoop set. Love it. Also, I keep seeing the necklace set and the little camera screen, and I love it. Let's keep going. So with every purchase when I ordered, I got a free gift. So I think this is the free gift. They gave me these little gold heart studs. I think these would be really cute in my second holes if I wear my like little shiny link set. There we go. Focus. There we go. I need to get more out of the shot, I guess. So So cute though. So I'm not gonna try those ones on right now. And then Jordan also ordered a little bracelet. This is called the California Love Bracelet. And it's just like a little linked chain bracelet in the silver. And yeah, it looks really cute. Jordan, do you wanna come try your bracelet on? Okay, so he's busy right now, but he did come over earlier when I turned the camera off, and he tried on his ring and he loved them. But I guess I'll try on his bracelet for him since he's busy right now. Okay, there it is. Looks really cute, simple, not too much for a guy. I think it'll just look really simple and stuff on him. Very cute. And lastly, Jordan's mom ordered some hoops, so I'll show you guys those. They're called the Heavenly Hour earrings, and there's just these small little hoops with little pearls on them. So those are really cute. Give those to her next time we see her. Anyway, cute. All right, that's everything for my Evry Jewels haul. I really liked everything. The only thing I was a little disappointed in is this one little chain is just a little too small for my neck, but I think that's easily fixable. I think I'm probably just gonna get an extender. I really like all my stuff. I just really like kind of trendier jewelry, but I'm gonna probably wear it every day. Look at these little gold hoops. And don't forget, I have a 20% off coupon if you choose to order any jewelry for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I have an H&M haul coming up in the near future, and you certainly don't want to miss that. So if you liked today's video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite piece of jewelry that I got. And I hope you guys have a good day.